Radcrete's representatives in Qatar conducted a trial to demonstrate for themselves the potential performance of Radcon Formula 7. They cast a 1.25 meter square slab suspended on blocks and began their trial 28 days after the slab was cast. Curing was deliberately poorly executed as the slab was exposed to the heat of the sun to induce drying shrinkage cracks right across the slab. In addition, to create a very extreme challenge, larger cracks were also created with a grinder to see what Radcon could do. A ponding test was conducted on the slab to demonstrate the extent of leakage prevalent in the slab, many of the cracks actually right through the depth of the concrete. As can clearly be seen, water pours through the slab like a shower. In the application of the Radcon Formula 7, preparation of the slab surface is critical, and the applicator was tasked with following the recommended processes in full. That starts with the removal of dust, latents, and anything that is on the surface that could prevent Radcon from penetrating beneath the slab surface, with particular care taken to remove dust in the larger cracks. Loose material is removed in and around the larger cracks, and typically a blower or a vacuum will be used as a finishing touch to ensure a completely dust-free and open texture concrete surface ready for the Radcon application. Because of the extreme cracking induced in the slab, the bottom surface is taped to prevent the Radcon itself moving right through and being lost. A final inspection is carried out by a supervisor to make sure that the surface is well prepared, completely dry, and absolutely ready to take the Radcon application. The application begins by treating the large visible cracks directly first, where a handheld spray is used to introduce Radcon right into the cracks. Typically, for visible cracks, Radcon will be applied at the rate of 1 litre per 3 lineal meters of cracking into the cracks themselves. Once the cracks have been addressed, Radcon is sprayed with a low-pressure spray evenly across the whole surface of the slab at the rate of 1 litre per 5 square meters. The Radcon will be pulled into the surface of the slab through capillary action. Once completed, after the slab becomes surface dry again, it will have a slightly tacky feel. This is when a first light watering is applied to help the Radcon penetrate deeper into the slab. 2 subsequent liberal waterings are applied the following day and the day after to keep driving the Radcon into the concrete matrix and to ensure that there is plenty of moisture to react with the free calcium in all the microcracks and capillaries. On the 4th day, the slab is ponded to evaluate the extent to which the slab has been sealed as a result of the gel that forms through the reaction of Radcon Formula 7 with the free calcium and the moisture that's available deep in the slab. At this stage, there is still plenty of work to be done by the Radcon, as the slab shows it's still extensively leaking. Have we gone too far with the demonstration, and will the Radcon gel grow and bridge the cracks? The process for the gel to form and grow and swell into the available spaces does take time. By day 7, the Radcon has clearly slowed down the amount of water, but there remains a slow and steady leakage, as the larger cracks clearly have not yet closed. By day 13, there remain a couple of very isolated, stubborn areas where a slow and steady drip is still evident. A call with the Radcrete team in Australia assures the team in Qatar that the Radcon will still be working hard, and with a few more days, it may well be able to seal the remaining cracks. On day 16, the local Qatar team declare the trial over. A close look at the underside of the slab shows how it's drying out, with only one area where there remains a very slow drip. This small leak is revealed to originate from under the bun wall that was created at the beginning of the test, where the surface could not be treated with the Radcon. The team declare the demonstration an absolute success, and they are very confident in promoting Radcon as a solution to the Qatar market.